What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to build a Slack app. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in Slack. So then you will be redirected to this homepage of Slack. If you are new to Slack, just simply sign in, or if you have already visited Slack, just simply log in, or you will be welcome to this page if you are already logged in. Just simply launch your current Slack, whatever you want. I'm launching this and I'll just simply click on use Slack in your browser. I'm using this Slack app in my browser. When you come to this home page, on your left side, click here and over to tools and settings. Now over to the last at the billing, click on billing. And after coming here, on your left side, scroll a bit down and you will see the option of API. As you can see on my left side, I have an option of API. Just simply click on it. After coming here, just click on Get Started and you can create your own API app from here. And if you are not able to find the settings of creating a new app, just on your right side, click on Your Apps. Here you will see your recent apps and you will be able to create a new app by clicking on this Create New App and just simply start from scratch. And here you can give your app name and you can choose a workspace, and that's how you can create an app in your Slack. So that was all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching.